staying with the breaking news coming in now. We were on pictures of Sachin Waze being taken to his residence in Thane. Getting in also breaking news that the new police commissioner is also meeting the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray. That meeting is ongoing. That Hemant Nagrale is at the Varsha Bungalow, which is the residence of Uddhav Thackeray, Chief Minister of Maharashtra. That meeting is ongoing. Picking up more details also of who else is in that meeting. Getting in details now of more officers who could be part of that meeting in the Chief Minister's residence. More and more details coming in. That was Hemant Nagrale who addressed the media after taking charge as the Commissioner of Mumbai. Yesha is on the phone line. Yesha, the Commissioner meeting the Chief Minister after taking charge.
That's right, Niranjan. So, Hemant Nagrale just joined his position as a Mumbai Police CP, and he is meeting the CM. Now, what is important over here is the fact that he addressed the media just before joining, and now he's heading to meet the CM. What we've seen is over the last few days, there have been marathon meetings that are taking place with the CM and with the senior ministers, which also includes the Home Minister and the Deputy CM. Now, particularly over here, the fact that CP, that is the new Mumbai CP, mentioned that Hemant Nagrale mentioned that he will look into the fact that there have been certain instances that have brought bad name to the Mumbai police, and he will take action against those who brought bad name to the Mumbai police. He also said that there are certain cases which the CIU was handling, which would now be also looked into by him. And the fact that he's gone and met the CM post that gives out a really strong statement about the fact that he is serious into the fact that there were certain instances that happened earlier, but now with the new CP joining in and various questions being raised by opposition leaders on the fact that both Parambir Singh, that is the former Mumbai CP Parambir Singh, as well as Sachin Waze, who was the assistant police inspector, who was looking at major cases. There were some really major cases that Sachin Waze was looking at as while he was heading the CIU, that is the Crime Investigation Unit, and post which these particular cases came up, wherein Antila bomb scare case, NIA named is questioning Sachin Waze as one of the accused in the Antila bomb scare case, and following which there were questions which were raised by various opposition leaders questioning Parambir Singh's role as well. In this particular matter, Parambir Singh was transferred by Anil Deshmukh this evening while he made an official announcement this evening and made Hemant Nagrale the Mumbai Police CP right now. This, on the other hand, has also been questioned. The fact that Parambir Singh was transferred 2 days after Sachin Waze's suspension, the fact that Sachin Waze was arrested by NIA in this Antila bomb scare case, and there were political developments happening over the last 2 days, which led to Parambir Singh's transfer, has also led to various questions being raised by political leaders about the transfer of Parambir Singh. Some of them have said that this is just a move to shrug off the responsibility, but right now, the fact that this meeting is happening at CM's official Varsha Bungalow, there could be certain discussions that could take place because, like Hemant Nagrale mentioned in the press conference, that he wants to look at certain cases. There's a possibility of these discussions taking place. Also, we know that for the matter of fact that there were certain other police officials who had met CM Uddhav Thackeray 2 days back, which included the Joint CP Crime and Joint CP Law and Order, 2 days back. There will have been some discussions that have taken place with the CM there, and the fact that the new Mumbai CP, Hemant Nagrale, would be meeting him now. There could be some discussion that could be taken forward from there. But as of now, the fact that while these meetings took place all these days, but all of the political leaders, all of the senior political leaders had clearly denied the fact that any of these meetings
okay, you stay with me. Alisha's live at the location. Let me quickly go across to her and get in a word. Alisha's live at the Chief Minister's residence where that meeting is underway. Alisha, possibly a procedural meeting. What more are you hearing?
देखिए बिल्कुल नरेंद्र, हमने देखा कि मुंबई के नए सीपी हेमंत नागराले जो कि अब जो है अपना पद संभालने के बाद यहाँ पर वर्षा बंगलो पर पहुंचे हैं। मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे से उनकी मुलाकात हो जाएगी और कहीं ना कहीं पर यह तक बताया जा रहा है कि जॉइंट सिटी क्राइम मिलिंद बाबर जो कि वो भी वर्षा बंगलो पर पहुंचे हैं, मुख्यमंत्री से मुलाकात करेंगे। इम्पोर्टेंटली डेवलपमेंट आज पूरे दिन में हमने देखा कि किस तरीके से एक तरफ एनआईए जो है इस पूरे मामले की जांच कर रही है। खुद एनआईए की टीम सचिन वाजे को लेकर उनके घर पर पहुंची और हालांकि उससे पहले खुद एनआईए के 8 ऑफिसर जो है वो सचिन वाजे के थाने वाले घर पर पहुंची थी। वहीं पर तलाश जो है लगातार की जा रही थी और खुद जो है रिक्रिएशन को लेकर देखते हुए जो है सचिन वाजे को एनआईए टीम जो है एनआईए ऑफिस से पहले माहिम क्रीक लेकर गई। उसके बाद जो है उनको अपने घर पर यानी थाने के घर पर लेके गई और जाहिर सी बात है कहीं ना कहीं पर जो है जिस तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेशन की बात करें, क्योंकि कल जो सचिन वाजे की गाड़ी जो पाई गई थी जिसमें से 5 लाख का कैश बरामद किया गया था, साथ ही ये बताया गया कि वो गाड़ी खुद सचिन वाजे इस्तेमाल करते थे। वहीं पर आज हमने देखा कि इन सारे डेवलपमेंट के बाद जो सह्याद्री में जो मीटिंग की गई थी, क्योंकि वो मीटिंग खुद महाराष्ट्र विकास आघाड़ी की कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी मीटिंग थी, उसी मीटिंग के बाद खुद अनिल देशमुख जो कि मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे के बंगलो ऑफिशियल बंगलो वर्षा बंगलो पर थे और कहीं ना कहीं डिस्कशन होने के बाद ही जो है ये निर्णय लिया गया कि जो है परमबीर सिंह को ट्रांसफर करके होमगार्ड डिपार्टमेंट दिया जाए। वहीं पर अब मुंबई के नए सीपी जो है वो हेमंत नागराले को बनाया गया। खुद हेमंत नागराले जो कि सीपी ऑफिस में पहुंचे, अपना पद संभाला गया। इसके बाद वो यहाँ पर यानी वर्षा बंगलो पर पहुंचे, जिन्होंने अब फिलहाल उनकी मुलाकात मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे से हो रही है।
Yeah, stay with me. I have to take a short break right now. Alisha, I'll take a short break and we'll come back. Another breaking news update from Mumbai that the NIA team has left Sachin Vaze's Thane residence. So the story is really moving fast. Story is really moving fast. Something's happening and it's happening really fast, and Republic TV right on top of the story. Taking a short break. Stay tuned. After Sachin Vaze was arrested, shunted out, now investigated for also possible murder. Parambir Singh also shunted out in Mumbai. Stay tuned.